Power BI project, according to this year, we can visualize the data. So if I click on the 2014, it will give me that 3.41 million sales quantity, average delivery date, return of orders, and the profit by customer name, and also sales by market, Asia Pacific, Europe, and sales by segment, consumer segment, corporate segment, and home office, and also loss making product, and profit, top profit product. Now by which product we get most of profit, like Motorola smartphone, uh, Harvard, and this is on the Cisco smartphone, and region wise sales, like this region is Western Asia, Australia, Africa, and that this project based on this data. There's a three table, one table was orders, fulfills, and returns. So we have to merge them and we have to visualize them.